This video is sponsored by Squarespace.
So it's worth noting that I am not a street photographer. I've only tried shooting it a handful of times, and being rather introverted, not only was I anxious to go out and shoot it, there's also the added pressure of taking photos that are good enough to put into a video. Now, to be honest, I think with street photography specifically, just getting 1 or 2 pretty good shots in a few hours of shooting is probably the most I would expect from anyone. I think that's just more realistic because of its unpredictable nature. So I like a few of the shots I was able to get yesterday when I went out, but there's plenty to improve upon.
Go out and shoot with a friend. If you're too introverted to make friends, here are some other tips that can help. Find a composition you love and then wait for your subject to enter the frame. Snap their photo, but continue holding the awkward position until your subject's suspicion has subsided. That reminds me, if you shoot mirrorless, try silent shooting mode so you can be ultra stealthy and then lower your chances of interacting with other people. Since it's 2023 and most people who shoot on old waist-level viewfinder cameras are dead or busy posting on Instagram, see if you can get your paws on a camera like this that will let you channel your inner Vivian Meyer.
As someone who doesn't love confrontation, I actually found it easier to ask some people if I could take their photo as opposed to just walking up and taking it without permission. I think I asked 5 people / groups of people, and 3 said yes and 2 said no.
Do you want a photo?
No. Some may argue that streets should be more candid, but I personally don't see an issue with asking permission first.
Can I take your guys' photo? You guys mind? You guys look like a band or something. Appreciate it. Yeah, that's sick. Alright. Just do whatever you want.
What'd you say it was called?
Mango Street? Yeah, that's dope.
Damn. You got a meal? You got a meal?
Yeah. Appreciate it, guys.
Hold on, man.
Yeah. You guys mind if I take your photo? You guys have a cool look going. Is that cool? Thank you. Appreciate it, guys. You don't even have to look at me. You can just mind your own business.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, cool. Thanks. Appreciate it. Thanks.
All in all, I did have a good time doing it and got more comfortable the longer I was out shooting. So if you've been looking for a little kick in the pants to get out there and shoot street yourself, I hope this video serves as that.
We've been Squarespace customers since 2013, way before this YouTube channel started. We currently pay for 4 Squarespace websites, and striptriviapod.com is one of them.
If you're not raking in money hand over fist with your podcast, you might want to check out Squarespace's new member areas, where you can sell access to gated content like video classes, digital downloads, or newsletters.
You can also showcase your photography with Squarespace's professional portfolio designs. Customize the layout, the look, and the feel to make it your own. Also, you can schedule and book appointments straight from your website. You need to log in that client meeting? Well, they can easily see your availability and reschedule if needed, making your life a heck of a lot easier.
Here's what our new podcast website looks like, and if you're in the market for a new website or domain, we'll save you 10% when you go to squarespace.com/mangostreet, or just click the link down in the description, or use the code MangoStreet at checkout. The options are virtually endless.
Sounds like there's just 3 options.
Okay, there's 3 options.
If none of these work for you, just let AI do the work.